Top 10 Health Benefits of Drinking Coffee Every Day. This age-old debate has seen advocates mentioning its antioxidant activity as well as brain-boosting potential. 1. Caffeine provides you with a short-term memory boost. In a research, a few individuals received a dose of 150 milligrams of caffeine each. About as much consisted of a cup of coffee. The researchers noticed a significant surge in their brain activity. And so as a direct consequence, caffeine provides a boost to the short-term memory as well as an individual's concentration acuity. 2. It is a source of useful antioxidants. What's more, a 2012 research labeled coffee as one of the core dietary antioxidants source readily available today. In case you didn't know, a majority of the antioxidants that can be found in a cup of coffee aids in the fight against inflammations. 3. A regular cup of coffee can keep cognitive decline at bay. In an extensive study, experts found that taking around 3 to 5 cups of coffee every day has some unique benefits that can't be replicated elsewhere. They associated it with 65% reduced risk of dementia and Alzheimer's in later life. 4. Coffee helps curb some cancers. Statistically, women who take 4 or more cups of coffee on a regular daily basis have a 25% reduced chance of falling scourge to this cancer compared to the women who drink less than 1 cup daily. 5. Coffee reduces the risk of developing diabetes. A good chunk of health and nutrition experts from around the world subscribe to the idea that there is an association between taking coffee and a decreased risk of diabetes. 6. Coffee is healthy for human heart. Before you dismiss it as another internet myth, take a second to read on a bit. A study that involved over 37,000 individuals over 13 years was recently finalized by leading cardiology researchers. Surprising enough, the research unearthed the fact that moderate coffee consumers had a 20% reduced danger of heart diseases compared to light or heavy drinkers, and non-drinkers. 7. Coffee enhances exercise performance. It's unfortunate that most of us have been conditioned to believe caffeine is a dehydrating agent. It is also one of the reasons in your formative years you were discouraged from sipping coffee or tea before a long class or lecture. Even fitness gurus do not recommend taking coffee before or after an intensive workout. 8. It is healthy for your liver. Regardless of what you might come across in health blogs and nutrition magazine, it's true that coffee lowers the danger of liver cancer. Once again, a steady coffee consumption has been linked to a lower cirrhosis incidence, more so alcoholic cirrhosis. 9. It guards against gout. Studies on coffee consumption patterns of both genders indicate that regular coffee drinking lowers the danger of developing gout. Another separate study analyzed the health behaviors of almost 90,000 female nurses across 26 years. Women who took more than 4 cups daily showed a 57% lower gout risk, and so did those who took at least 3 cups of decaf per day. 10. Coffee curbs depression. A horde of past and recent studies have linked coffee consumption with lower depression rates in men and women. In these studies, data collected suggested an inverse relation between depression and coffee drinking. In fact, coffee aficionados seem to have the lowest risk of falling prey to depression. Subscribe the channel to get next video.